Hello my friends, your family doctor, Dr. AP. Today I have come here to explain with a case of the gross mistakes which is occurring in this COVID era. Recently one 80-year-old female patient, 80-year-old, she was at home. Relatives went to the doctor. They said, doctor, my grandma is not able to raise her hand. She is not able to raise her hand. Doctor said, oh okay. He gave the medicines without examining. He said, go for an X-ray shoulder joint, X-ray shoulder. They did the X-ray. They went to the doctor, they showed the X-ray. He said, oh yes. It's you take these medicines, frozen shoulder will get cured. Frozen shoulder. 2 days she did not get cured at all. She was in terrific. She was not able to raise her hand at all. They went to some other doctor, relatives, without grandma. The other doctor saw the X-ray and he said, oh yes, grandma must be having less calcium and she has got a little swelling. Oh yes, swelling maybe, yeah. After seeing the X-ray, wow. He gave medicines. No relief, obviously no relief. They again went to the same doctor. He said, okay, let's admit grandma because she must be having some major problem. We'll go for the MRI. He said, before admitting, you do the X-ray chest. Relatives also did the X-ray chest. After seeing the X-ray chest, doctor is saying, oh my God, now you have to go for COVID. Now relatives really got frustrated. Where did this COVID come from? Then somebody told you go to Dr. AP. They came to me, I said, no, I will examine the patient. I will examine the patient. When I went to see the lady, man, that grandma, oh my God. She was not able to raise her hand and she was not able to move her same leg, same side leg. I mean left side. Left side hand and left side leg were not working. She was not able to move. I told her to please get up and walk. She was not able to walk. She had got one-sided weakness, left-sided weakness. Man, we missed paralysis. We are missing paralysis in this COVID era. I explained the relatives that you please do the MRI brain. She is having less blood supply or it may be blood in the brain, hemorrhage or infarct. Simple. Shocking. The relatives are shocked. Yare, paralysis. Yes, paralysis. You can see she just can't walk. Then they asked me, doctor, what about the COVID? Man, let it be. I told them to first get admitted. She needs treatment urgent because paralysis is an emergency. She already has lost the golden period, golden hour. Now, the treatment is definitely delayed. She lost the main golden hour. She may not recover completely. What is going on this COVID era? I mean, without examination, how can doctors treat? Yaar? I request to the whole world, please go to the doctor. Please tell them to examine you. Don't be afraid of corona. If I go, I'll get corona. Without examination, you'll die. People are dying. And I request all the doctors, please examine. Everything can be online, but medical line can never be online. You can't put this medical line online. Even after examining, mistakes occur. Even after examining, but there is very mild mistake that happens. It's human error. But without examining, my God, gross mistakes. We are missing paralysis. We are missing heart attack. That old lady was admitted in the hospital. I called, she was like admitted. Treatment must have started. But please, I request to the whole world. I request to all the doctors in the world. Don't be afraid of COVID. It will happen to you now, my friends. Let it happen. If you want to go only, then you will go. See the military people on the border. They are not afraid. They are not afraid. I mean, they are ready to die. We are doctors. We are afraid of virus. Virus. I am not afraid of virus. Let it come to me. I am not afraid. But I am born to be a doctor. I am born to serve the people. At least my duty. It is my duty to examine. I am not blaming any doctor. There are so many doctors who are examining, who are doing their best. Those who are not examining, please don't be afraid. Yeah, it's such an important case I brought today. Paralysis and frozen shoulder. Calcium swollen, what is this? Once if you would have examined the patient, you would have not missed paralysis. My friends, please pass on this message yaar. This COVID has destroyed the complete scenario. But it has to come back again. We have to come back again. And we will come back. Please be strong. And to all the people in the world, go and get examined by a family doctor, by your good doctor. You will be saved from other disorders. Till then, it's a goodbye from Dr. AP. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.